So friends, good evening. As engineering mathematics is going to start soon, so I want to introduce you with the syllabus of engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics syllabus for GATE aspirants mechanical, I will cover linear algebra where we will study matrices, eigenvalues, eigenvector, determinants, and system of linear equation in matrices and rank of the matrix. These will be the topics, important topics for GATE, and some other topics will be there. Second thing will be calculus, limit, continuity, differentiability, Rolle's theorem, mean values theorem. So these will be the topics. And in calculus, maxima minima of two variable, global maxima, absolute maxima, and local maxima, these things, and maxima minima for two variables, in single variable and two variable, both I will cover. Then we will move to the topic vectors, but here vectors will take advanced version, so we will cover vector calculus also. In engineering mathematics syllabus we will cover vector calculus, and after that we will move to differential equations, which is an important topic, very important topic for GATE. Differential equations, linear differential equation, exact, inexact differential equation, then complementary function, non-linear differential equation, complementary function, particular integral, these things will be there. And after that we will go for the topic complex. We will study some basics about complex and complex integrals, some theorems will be there, Cauchy integral formula, and some residue. These are the main concept for mechanical. Then probability, independent events, exhaustive events, mutually exhaustive events. Some of these topics will be very important. Under probability I will cover probability distributions will be there. We will study normal distribution as well in that part. And then numerical methods will be the last topic. There we will study trapezoidal rule, Simpson rule, Euler method, Euler method, and some more concept will be there. So engineering mathematics is an important topic and has good weightage. To secure a good rank in GATE, you must know engineering mathematics well. So it is a very important subject. So thank you friends. Please keep watching my videos for engineering mathematics. As videos will go day by day, they will increase. I will create a separate playlist like engineering mechanics. So thank you friends, bye. Hoping that you are studying well, so be ready, and I wish your success in examination. So thank you friends, bye.